Hello, Investor Army, and welcome to another episode of, you guessed it, it's my portfolio review show. So I have dusted off the old calculator. I've got the calculator out. I have looked at what's happened in my stock portfolio over the last month. Now it's time to share that with you, see what's been happening, full transparency, and to share my thinking with you. So let's get started and roll the intro and get into the detail. Okay, team, as you can see on screen, this is what we're going to go through today. These 5 areas. So let's go through that. Of course, we'll go through that. So let's start on the first one. And last month, that's the value you can see there on screen. And this month, actually, we're pretty similar to that. I actually haven't put my deposit in this. That's not because I'm not planning to. I haven't worked out who I'm going to use for my stocks as ISA for the year ahead. So if you'd like to pick a suggestion, I would really appreciate that, because I haven't landed on who. Portfolio value, yeah, you can see it's down a little bit over the last month. Performance, roughly where it was. On track to finish the year ahead of the year, the minimum year-end targets, because of the amount of money still to go in. That's what I need to do to hit the target. So I need to getting close to 10% here. When I started this, it was 10% here, so I have managed to chip away a little bit at that 2050 target, but there's still a little way to go. For me, this is one of the most important pages in the pack for myself. I find it really useful to know the run rate that I need to hit. Doing my stock reviews, what I'm looking to buy, I can assess it against this to say, is there a chance that it will hit that return? That's why that's important, but the dividends are part of that. So here are the dividends I received in month. Gold Company, Micron, there's the dividends. £31, pretty quiet month. Didn't sell anything for my portfolio month. It's been quite a quiet month. There are a couple of positions I'm looking to sell, one of which is BT Group, as I mentioned on my recent Airtel Africa review video. Keep an eye out for that going forward. That's what I've bought, my usual £100 a month into the top one fundsmith, a little bit extra into World Index because the cash position is so big, and new position Visa, following my review of Visa and a video on that on the channel as well. And that's the structure of where I ended up at the start of the month. And you see there's a big cash pile there. And let's go through each of those areas now, find out the performance of each of the holdings. And let this run on autoplay now. So the quality company section first. One of my favourite investments. Okay, good month. Point you with how long Dropbox is taking to come through. Love a bit of Google though. Yeah, Elevance quietly ticking away nicely. You're roughly level on Adobe. Good month for in-mode results coming shortly. Australian company, you don't see many of those. Good old Berkshire, one of the top performers. Of Amex as well, ironically partly owned by Berkshire. New position Visa. Got more on this one when I had the opportunity. This one's getting close to my trigger to buy more. Great month for Unum, one of my favourite companies. Top performer. G edging up as well. Great dividend on this one. Steady as she goes, always on Aviva. Not selling this one. All the return is pretty much from the dividend. Got hammered lately with all the banks. Fairly new to the portfolio. quietly outperforming expectations. Bit of recovery this month. Managed by others, so protection against my failure. Good total return, but it's only been 6 to 7% a year. This one's a banger, this fund. Yeah, Terry Smith, he's going to make me a lot of money. Plenty of index trackers you'll see popping up here. A few managed funds. Yeah, other index. Right, unclassified, these ones that don't fit my strategy, so I wouldn't buy them if I was looking at them now. This one I will make my money back, I just need to be patient. This is a great company, they make some great kit. I was up on this one about 2 months ago. A bit disappointing. Cumulus, very undervalued. This is a bit of a disaster. And this one went bust, my first one that's gone bust. If you've had one that's gone bust, let me know, it'd be interesting to share. Right, cyclicals, the last of the sections of the portfolio. Love this one, coal company. Making quite a lot of profit off the table. Really undervalued still. Intel should do a lot better in the long run. My other coal company, bad month in the market, but undervalued. Got Beach management change. Yes, there's a tiny bit of Bitcoin. Embarrassing. And a tiny bit of Ethereum. Right guys, you almost made it to the end, but first, before you go, check out this video here. Check it out. Really high quality UK stock. And if you're looking to grow your portfolio and you're looking to build a portfolio, this high quality UK stock over here really help you grow your wealth. So check it out. You might not want to miss it. See you there.